Sohaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to make my kids' favorite soup, and that is tomato soup. It's very easy to make, very delicious and creamy. If you would like to see this, please come and join me. Thank you.
Put the oil. This is about quarter cup of oil, and that is olive oil. I'm using organic extra virgin olive oil, and we will just let the oil get a little bit warm. And I just want to show you the list of our ingredients here. For this we have 2 medium onions chopped, and this is 3 medium tomatoes chopped, and this is tomato sauce using organic. All of these are organic, by the way. And we will need an organic heavy whipping cream. You can use any whipping cream that you have on hand, or anything that you have that you like. This is ginger and garlic. I put them together. And here I have sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper and chili flakes, and last but not least, ground nutmeg. So our oil is getting hot. We're gonna start with onions. We're gonna saute it a little bit until it gets a little bit brown. Next up, we have ginger and garlic. So we are going to add that in. And just mix it in. And we want it a little bit brown. We don't want to burn the onions, but a little bit change in color. And once you see a little bit of caramelization, then that's the time that you need to do your next step. See that onions change colors a little bit? So we're gonna add our seasoning, and then we're gonna add our tomatoes. I'm gonna add nutmeg, about half a teaspoon, maybe quarter teaspoon, and turn the temperature low to medium is fine, and close the lid and let it simmer for about 12 to 15 minutes. Welcome back. Let's check our tomatoes and see how they're coming. They're getting very soft, and this is how we want it. So the next step is to add our tomato sauce. And let it come to simmer about 5 minutes. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. Welcome back. The next step is very simple. If you have an immersion blender at home, you can use this. Or if you don't have this, you can transfer your tomatoes into a blender and blend them together, but you need to put them back in the pan. But I'm using my immersion blender to blend everything together. So this is how everything is here. Make sure the temperature is very low, otherwise everything is going to splatter on your face if you don't do it the right way. So Okay, so next up we are going to turn this a little bit high, and then we're gonna put our whipping cream in. Let me just put it a little bit down and mix it in. I see lumps here, just a little bit, so I'm just gonna do it one more time. And that's about it. So just gonna leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. Hi, welcome back. This is our end result, and I just added some sour cream, and I sprinkled a little bit of shredded cheese and a little bit of cilantro. And I'm gonna have this with crackers. These are homemade crackers that I made. If you're interested in this, please leave a comment below, and I will have a tutorial on how to make crackers for you. So let's try and see how is our soup. Let me get a little bit of this cream cheese. Here. Wow, wow, it's very delicious, very creamy, full of flavor. It's really good. It has a little kick to it with the nutmeg. I really like it. I'm gonna have another spoon. You should make this. It's really, really good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And please give it a thumbs up if you like this recipe. And leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Thank you and have a good night.